Looking for a smarter way to clean your laundry? Consider Series 6 front-load washing machine with a capacity of 10 kg and a maximum spin speed of 1,400 RPM. Its strengths include the VarioDrum. The stainless steel, wave-like structure and paddle design provide a thorough yet gentle treatment for even the finest fabrics. A large LED display indicates all the information you will ever need: program status, temperature and spin speed selection, remaining time and end time delay, and load recommendation. AllergyPlus is ideal for anyone who has sensitive skin. This means significantly lesser pollen particles, animal hairs and dust while caring for your clothes. Last but not least, the iDOS automatic dosing system. This intelligent dosing system uses the exact amount of detergent for perfect cleaning. It takes in the load weight, fabric type, degree of soiling, and water hardness with its special sensors. Dosing the precise amount of detergent leads to an efficient wash, saving water and energy time after time. This washing machine offers maximum efficiency, durability, performance, and exceptionally quiet operation. So, get yours today.